Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Ellipse is one of the most deceptive complex spaces in the district. Formerly known as President's Park South, this 52-acre expanse serves as a massive foreground to the White House, but its history is rooted in the literal mud of the city's origins. In the early 19th century, this area was a treacherous marshland where the Tiber Creek met the Potomac. It was so unstable that it took decades of engineering and massive scale of the MacMillan Commission to transform it into the pristine mathematical perfect oval we see today. This wasn't just about aesthetics, it was about reclaiming the center of the capital from the swamp. Throughout the decades, the Ellipse served as the city's ultimate multipurpose stage. During the Civil War, it was a massive encampment for Union troops and a sprawling corral for the horses and mules that powered the war effort. Later, in the 1890s, it became a focal point for the City Beautiful movement, which sought to create grand, open vistas that would mirror the dignity of the federal government. It is a space that manages to feel both vast and intimate, a place where the president can look out from the Truman Balcony and see the American public engaging with the heart of their capital. The design of the Ellipse is a masterclass in urban transparency. The wide open lawns are a deliberate choice, ensuring that no structure obstructs the symbolic line of sight between the executive branch and the monuments to the south. This transparency is a physical manifestation of democratic ideals, even as it serves the practical security needs of the modern era. Whether it's hosting the national Christmas tree or serving as a starting point for the national protest, the Ellipse remains the most versatile piece of ground in Washington. It is the buffer zone, where the everyday life of the city meets the high security reality of the presidency. As we move towards the edge of this great oval, the landscape begins to populate with the monuments of memory. Standing as a powerful sentinel on the southwest corner is the 2nd Infantry Division Memorial. This monument is a striking departure from the neoclassical marble seen elsewhere in the city. At its heart is a massive 18-foot bronze sword, held by a flaming hand symbolizing the Indian head, division's fierce role in breaking the German lines during World War I. The sword is depicted as a defensive barrier, a plug in a gap, commemorating the division's desperate and heroic stand at Chateau Thierry and Belleau Wood. The monument's placement here is significant. It anchors the transition from the open civilian space of the Ellipse to the more formal military-focused architecture of the 17th Street corridor. The names of the battles carved into the granite, Vierzy, Saint-Mihiel, and the Argonne, serve as a somber counterpoint to the green tranquility of the park. It is a reminder that the peace and stability represented by the White House and the Ellipse were secured by the absolute resolve of those who served. Standing here, the view stretches back across the open lawn towards the executive mansion, connecting the sacrifices of the battlefield directly to the center of American power.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.